Hi, Greg again from National Luna Fridges. Here we have the big 90 litre. Pretty proud of this model. It's a very popular model, the 90. It's a little bit bigger than the others because the capacity obviously is to take more food and drink away. So it'd be pretty suited to 3-4 people going away together and or relying off one refrigerator, or even a sporting team or a football team, etc. The 90 litre is also a twin bin dual thermostat. The dual thermostat's very, very clever. It has a lot of smarts in the motherboard. If you're putting hot food and drink in this fridge, the motherboard dual control thermostat automatically kicks the compressor into a higher RPM, so it brings down what we call the pull down temperature. When the temperature is reached to the certain degrees you've set on the thermostat, the turbo comes out and it goes into regular cyclic mode. We rate our fridges on power draw over 24 hours, not what we call a laboratory test. Too many fridges are rated by real-time amperages, and National Luna are the best for this high quality style of battery longevity. Deep cycle batteries are what you should really have a fridge connected to in a camping atmosphere, and National Luna is very kind of deep cycle batteries. Either when you're driving down the freeway or with solar assist. The low amp draw over 24 hours is the lowest in the complete range of fridges in the industry. It's well known for it. And how do they do that? This fridge, for example, has 15 metres of 1/4-inch copper cooling pipe. That means the copper cooling pipe goes around and around each compartment. There's more coils around the freezer than the fridge for obvious reasons, for freeze, but most other fridges just have cooling plates. National Luna have cooling plates, but they also have this copper coil, which is then encased in injection molded foam. So the foam is in the cavity, and the cavity is a whopping 60 millimeters all around. The fridge has 5 baskets, and it's pretty much the larger of the range for a couple or a group of people going away. From the 90 litre we go up to the higher 110, 125, there's a 72 of course, but they're mainly for mining, industrial, more to do with bigger groups of people going away. But the 90 litre is a very popular size. The finish of the National Luna is in the diamond pattern stainless steel outer skin. The inner lining is aluminium. The baskets in the National Luna are a plastic design, and they're pressed from the base to the top with the vertical strips. They don't believe in plastic coated wire baskets because under the refrigeration process the plastic will eventually crack and exposing the metal, which rusts. Oxidisation is a big deal in fridges, but not with National Luna because the baskets are all plastic. If you lose a basket, they're all replaceable, they're accessories. The handles of the National Luna, heavy duty ABS, but instead of, if you want to mount this down tight in a tray of a utility, instead of mounting it down with straps on an angle, putting stress on these hinges, there's a slot here where you simply undo the turnbuckle from your strap and bring it down vertically, put the turnbuckle back on, and you pull the fridge down vertically. Big feature, that little slot there. No one else has done it, National Luna have. The other option is the famous base plate with mushroom bolts. The mushroom bolts locate into keyholes which are under the base plate of the fridge. The fridge is lowered onto the mushroom bolts, pulled back tight, 15 mil, the fridge is locked into position. Can't rock, can't roll. The mushroom bolts are also available on the slide, so you can slide the fridge right out of the vehicle. The catches on the front of National Luna are also a high-grade stainless steel. There's also an access there for 2 padlocks if you need to secure your food and drinks, or what they were originally designed for was transporting medicine in a medical field. Doctors and medical personnel can lock up valuable medicines without any fear of them being stolen. You may notice on the bottom right-hand corner where the dual controls are, there's a corner plate which is easily removed for a serviceman to get to the compressor, the condenser and the electrical wiring. Not many fridges have that access. National Luna make it very easy. The fridge is simply slid to the end of the bench, the serviceman removes the screws, and the two screws come out, and then the whole compressor is available to be accessed. There's even a wiring diagram there colour-coded for the serviceman to look at. The catches on the back, the hinges, there's 4 on the 90 litre. They are very strong, ABS plastic, and also an accessory can be replaced in the event of one being damaged or cracked. All the fridges in the range have these corner protectors. The big deal with National Luna is it does not require a protective jacket to help the cooling process, even though National Luna have we still supply a jacket as an accessory. This is not so much to protect the fridge, but it's to protect other things coming up against the fridge. Quite the reverse. Most other brands use the jacket to help the refrigeration process, not National Luna. The jacket is to keep it looking nice and new. However, it's very much anti-dent, anti-scratch with this diamond 403 stainless finish. But the secret, it's out of the bag now. How do they do it? With a low amp draw. Low amp draw equals a long life of deep cycle batteries. It's the incredible length of 1/4 inch copper cooling pipe encased in a foam injection moulded cabinet, and then even the lid has got foam injection in here. Then we come to the seal. If you can see that, you'll recognise it's the same as the one in your kitchen at home. It's a proper commercial fridge seal. It has little holes in each corner where the fridge collapses and expands. It's expanded now. When I bring it down and tighten the latches, it is compressed. Not many fridges have that in them for camping, except National Luna and the one you have at home in your own kitchen. It's by far the best fridge you can buy. It's an investment you'll have for a long time. National Luna have spent a lot of time and energy and engineering prowess to come up with this product. That's why they were commissioned by the World Health Organization to design a fridge to transport medicine in Africa. That's how it came to Australia. It was recognised very quickly by the safari operators, four-wheel drive people over to Australia, and now it is recognised as the best commercial grade portable refrigerator. Don't kid yourself, this is not a cheap fridge, it's quality. If you like quality, demand the best, National Luna.